y'all, welcome to my kitchen. It's me, Sydney, naturally Sydney, if you really must know. And today we have the magnificent Rob Tannen of Signature Sudz.
I'm here.
So what are we making today?
Today we're making our stain fighter, which is great for your stains on your clothes.
Okay.
Carpet, shoes, all of the above.
I have a few questions about the stain fighter before we get started.
Okay.
What makes this stronger than just using normal soap and water to get a stain out?
It's the way we formulate our soap. So we formulate it so it gets out all of the stains, and then we aid it with a washing soda.
In your kit, you will get a couple of things. So we have step one, gargum. And what is gargum?
Gargum comes from a plant. It's a gar bean. They take the bean, and they take the seed out of it, and they crush it. It's been used for years as a natural thickener. In soap making, it helps to bond the ingredients and keeps everything mixed together evenly. It's safe, plant-based, and it keeps our products vegan.
I also heard that it helps mix ingredients better, like it keeps it cohesive.
If you think about something like how cake mix is, how you use the egg to bind that, it kind of does the same thing.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Interesting. Step number 2 is?
Washing soda.
Okay.
So washing soda is great for getting out stains. It actually helps aid our soap in getting the stains out of your clothes.
Washing soda is a natural powerhouse. It boosts stain fighting, deodorizes, and is even used as a fabric softener. Think of it as a secret ingredient that takes your cleaning game from basic to better.
And step number 3?
Step number 3 is our soap base. This is the magic right here. You need this.
Yeah. Tell us about the soap base. What do
we formulate this ourselves. We use olive oil, coconut oil, and palm oil, and we use a potassium hydroxide to turn those oils into soap. It cooks down for about an hour to an hour and a half. And after that, you have like a Vaseline type gel base, and that's your soap.
Okay. And this is in like pretty much
everything that we create.
Yeah.
So without this, you have no products.
Nothing.
You have nothing.
Did you know the super secret soap base is used in most of Signature Sudz products? If you have the base, you can make anything. We will tell you how you can get your hands on some in a minute. So let's get ready to make some soap. Start with a decluttered, well-ventilated area. Put on your apron if you don't want to mess up the fit. And let's make sure we have everything we need. To make our stain fighter, we'll need filtered water, a small mixing bowl, a reusable spray bottle, and a funnel.
And we need water. Can you tell us about what type
So we
of
have
water?
to make sure we're using filtered water. If you're not using filtered water, you're going to get particles inside of your products. So you have to use something that's pure. Pour that right in there.
This is step number 1, gargum. Am I just dumping this in?
You want to add a little bit at a time, because if you add too much, you're done.
Okay.
It's going to lump up on you and you can't do anything with it. You're done. Either add a little bit more, you can, but just go a little at a time.
We'll test the consistency as we go. Okay. Mixy.
Yes. And I love the way it feels like once it gets incorporated into there.
Yeah.
It has like a almost like a slimy feel. The washing soda and the soap base is actually going to help thicken it as well.
What do you think?
No, I think that's perfect.
That's perfect?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Next, step 2 is washing soda, and this one I'm just dumping. It doesn't matter.
Yes, just go ahead and dump it in, but mix as you dump as well.
God, I feel like a scientist, like chef/scientist. I don't know.
There we go.
Okay. Good.
Yep, that's perfect.
And the magic.
Yes. And with this, you want to kind of like spread it out as you're adding it in.
Okay.
That way, because if you add it in just like that, I mean, it's going to take longer to break down. It's the same thing, but you want it to be a lot quicker. So let's go ahead and do that. And it usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. It just depends on, the temperature of the water.
We're not actually adding essential oils into this one?
No, because you don't want that essential oil to compete with your laundry soap.
Oh, okay.
So the scent of your laundry soap plus that, and then also you don't want it to stain, because it's a direct treatment. And I know what you guys are thinking, but you're using olive oil, coconut oil, and palm oil, but those oils are actually cooked down in the soap making process. So once they're cooked through, you have no more oils present. You have soap. Our stain fighter works on just about everything, from carpet, shoes, couches, and even car upholstery. Just make sure whichever items you're treating has not been through the dryer yet. That makes it a lot harder to get the stains out. And after the first treatment, check to see if the stain is still there. And if it's still there, treat it again. But do not run it through the dryer until you remove the stain completely.
Did you know?
Our stain fighter works great on dirt stains, grass stains, and even blood.
I had this amazing cream people top. I had sweat in it. The pits were orange and brown, and I thought it was never gonna come out. And I found the laundry stain fighter, sprayed it in there, threw it in the wash, and now it's like just as new, white, clean. Thank you.
All right,
watch the magic happen. It's gone. Like 4 scrubs and it's already gone. It's not there.
Our monthly subscription box is a great way to keep your house stocked on all your household essentials. We offer small, medium, or large boxes, which are great for any family size. If you prefer to have your products already pre-made, you can still order those online at signaturesudz.com. We ship nationwide right to your front door.
What?
Literally on camera.
Oh my god! Oh yeah, am I red?
Yep, you are.
So if you enjoyed this video, you want to check out some of our other videos, I'm sorry, I just went blank. You can check out the link wherever it's at. We'll just go ahead and click that link, and then we'll get you to where you need to get.
Yeah.
We'll get you to what you need to see. That made no sense whatsoever.
Terrible. What is happening? Did your butt